Good morning, children. Today we will recite one poem. Bugs, bugs. Bugs, bugs. I love bugs. Yes, I truly do. Great big pink ones, little green stained ones, yellow bugs and blue. I put you in my pocket and I wear you in my hair. You are my close companions. I take you everywhere. Bugs, bugs, I love bugs. Bugs, you are my friends. Square ones, round ones, half a pound ones. Bugs with rare ends. I love to watch you scamper and I love to watch you chew. I have got no doubt about it. Bugs, I am bugs for you. Children, today we will learn about describing words. Describing words are also known as adjectives. Means when you describe something. Now when you say about yourself, how you say, I am a good boy. Or you say, I am a good girl. Then my mother cooks very tasty food. A good, tasty. How I will say about my girls in the 3rd B class? My class 3B girls are very beautiful. Beautiful girls I have. I have handsome boys, smart boys. The boys are in my class are very honest. The girls are hardworking. All these sentence words see, please see, hardworking, good, honest, beautiful, smart, tall, short, small, big. I have a very big pencil. I have a small pencil. All these are known as describing words. When you describe a pencil, I have a big pencil. Then other child says, I have a small pencil. Now here, if you see these two elephants, you say, this is a small elephant. This is a big elephant. So you describe the elephants like this. Now if you see here, you will describe this rose as color. This is red rose. This is a beautiful rose. So all these are describing words. Beautiful, red, green. Okay, all these are. Now we will solve the exercise on the blackboard over here. Describing words. Now here you see these words. 9, brown, red, blue, small, big. Now you see, there are dash pens. From here you will automatically say 9. There are 9 pens. Correct? Now next sentence. This is a dash book. This is a brown book. It is a dash can. What you will say? It is a blue can. Here you can see the words blue, brown, 9. Now next, I have dash headphones. I have, what you will say? I have red headphones. Then there are 2 cups, dash and dash. There are 2 cups, big and small. Are you understanding? So all these are describing words. Now we will do the exercise from your textbook. Here. A fat woman. A beautiful peacock. A happy boy. A tall man. A red rose. A black board. So solve this exercise in your notebook. Thank you. Now we can make a list of describing words. Here you can see red, little, blue, beautiful, great, amazing, lovely, tall, short, small, big, high, low, intelligent, smart, juicy, big, cold, hot, fresh. And you can add the words. Now here you can see cold water, hot tea, high mountains, intelligent children like you, red blood. Understood? So all these are known as describing words because they describe. So go on making list in these holidays.